Welcome. If you want to clone apps in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 4, let's go for the settings. Let's scroll down and tap on the Manage Apps. Click Dual Apps. And right here we got 7 applications that support the dual mode. So for example, we can clone, I think, the mirror mode, and also we are going to do this with the UPC Office. Okay, so right now we can check how it works, and right here we got the double icons. There's the WPS application, so let's turn it on. Okay, and the second application is also here. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.